Hey, so I just wanted to shoot this quick video about the previous campaign and some previous results. So the client was this Peninsula Home. They are a high-end furniture company in California. This is their website. You can see some pretty nice designs, beautiful interiors, their Instagram page. But we were running ads for this event. So this is their annual warehouse sale. It happened last November and we were able to get over 1,000 people to respond, and actually 115 people went to the event. So previously, this company had problems to even get 100 people interested. So this was a new record for them, and they were really happy. This is the copy for the post and for the whole event. We just created this simple design. So I wanted to show you how the ad worked. So this is the first campaign that you can see in this line. The daily budget was $225, and if we go to the ad sets, you can see that we had plenty of different targeting. So you can see the naming convention. You can see we had luxury resorts, decorative, travel, golf, wine, and top 25% income. So we tested different audiences. But you can see the cost per result. This three ad set is turned off because the cost per result was higher. We wanted to keep it preferably under $5. This one was 12, this was 7 and 5. So we just turned these off. We didn't want to waste any money. Let's see the winner campaign, or the winner ad set was this golf targeting. So you can see we got 235 responses in here. And if you look at the KPIs, the cost, wow, these are great. The cost per click was under $1 and the click-through rate is almost 5%. That's really great. So if you also look at the naming, you can see these numbers 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So those refer to the ad copy numbers. And I'll show you the ad copy worksheet. So you can see again 10, 11 to 14. We tested 5 different ad copies. You can see all of them right here. Headlines and descriptions as well. And what we do in each ad set, we started with 5. And you can see the numbers 10, 14, 12, 14. So you can see the best performing ad copy looks like this one. This GLT12 was the best performing ad copy. So you can see the click-through rate is above 5% and the cost per click is almost the same, around 60 cents, 59. So this is what we did for each interests, basically in each ad set. So if we check this one, the decorative, we look in here, you can see this one is turned off, this one is turned off because after $15 we didn't even get one response. So we just focused on these ones that actually converted, and looks like the 14 was the winner right here. So this is how I build my campaigns. The creatives were almost all the same in this campaign. So you can see it's the same as on the event page. It's almost the same. We just added the 3 days only and save up to 60 and 80%. And this wasn't the only campaign, so this was the first one. We tested which audience reacts the best, which ad copy is the best. And then we had 3 more campaigns in here. And you can see in total, we got over 1,000 responses as on the event page, and each response was around $5. Average cost per click still under 70 cents, and the average click-through rate is 4.5%. And I think that's really great considering we reached over 60,000 people. And the whole ad budget for this campaign was $5,800.